Hey everyone, it's Trinice Charnay and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a very quick and easy tutorial on how to do crochet passion twists that I did for a client the other day. So if you are interested, go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more details. Alright, so in order for us to get started, you're definitely going to need a few things. I have some hair clips, some edge control, needle and thread so I can sew the last braid together, crochet needles, scissors, combs, and of course these beautiful passion twists. She actually got 6 packs of passion twists and she decided to go for like a splash of color. So we're going to be using all of these tools today to achieve this style. Alright, so first things first, let's get started with this braiding pattern. I typically use the same braiding pattern when I'm doing crochets. The only time I switch it up is when I'm trying to achieve a different type of style, whether it's you want to put it up in a ponytail or whatever the case may be. But here we're using 12 braids in the front and then connecting them to a bigger braid in the back. She has a lot of hair, long, thick, and healthy hair. So it took me a while to braid her hair, but this braiding pattern fit best for the style we were trying to achieve. Just like that, we're all done. I asked her to go and check in the bathroom to see if there were any gaps I needed to fill with any extra hair we had left over. So I went ahead and added some more pieces in the front that I had originally spaced out. But everything came out looking great. Now that we're done, you already know what time it is, sis. It's time to add that edge control and style your hair up. So my top favorite style with these passion twists is going to be the half bun, half down look. But I tried out 3 different styles with her, so let me know what your favorite is in the comments. And be sure to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and stay tuned for more hair tutorials to come.